All right, back to weather now in our Colorado Lottery camera atop Cheyenne Mountain. When Joe showed this earlier, I thought it was fake. I thought it was some type of animation or graphic meant for a stormy day, but this is actually what's being seen from our camera up on Cheyenne Mountain right now. Thick clouds, rain still falling. In fact, I hear it on our rooftop here at the KRDO studios in southwest Colorado Springs.
Yeah, absolutely. And then a little bit closer into the central part of Colorado Springs, this is Academy and Meadowland. That's just north of Austin Bluffs, where you can see southbound Academy is closed, at least 2 lanes of it. That's due to a water main break that happened. Crews will be working on that through Thursday, so do take caution because those lanes will still remain closed. And now with that, let's get over to Joe Rook. And Joe, we were just saturated in the air today.
Yeah, that's why we're getting that cool shot over Cheyenne right now. Temperatures, they're decreasing, that dew point holding on, so we have a very close temperature, and dew point really just means the atmosphere is very saturated, a lot of water moisture all the way down to the surface, so some of those clouds very low this evening. And right now, taking a look at that radar, still holding on, just some light rain now, so this is the calm after the storm. We're going to keep an eye, though, on some of these showers pushing through the area. We do have one active flash flood warning up in northeastern El Paso County, and we did get 1.8 inches today in Callahan. At least that's what we got a report of. We do have a heavy batch of rain moving through right now, so we'll keep an eye on that, see if we get any reports out of this system. But all in all, throughout the remainder of the region, we are also holding on till 10:45 tonight to one of those stronger severe warning cells moving right towards Los Animas County. Now, the main threat with this is going to be gusty winds upwards 60, 65 miles per hour, but it is kind of rapidly weakening as that sun has set. We've lost a lot of that daytime heating, so we're seeing that threat start to come to an end. So let's take a little bit of a review of what we saw today. So in downtown Colorado Springs, that radar estimate is 2.5 inches of rain. That would break that old record set back in 2017 of 1.66 inches. Now, we're obviously going to need the National Weather Service to verify this, but we'll keep you updated tomorrow once we can take a little bit of a deeper dive into these systems. Security, where they got 2.5 inches of rain yesterday, picked up another inch of rain today. So the next few days certainly are looking a bit concerning as far as this weather does go, as we're going to have more storms for the I-25 corridor and out to the plains. Pueblo West, that radar indicates upwards of 3 inches of rain. Now, this isn't always exactly precise, but we know there were storms training there for 2, even 3 hours. So wouldn't be surprised if we're somewhere above 3 inches of rain in this area. And it did manage to miss downtown Pueblo for the most part. They got almost a ½ inch of rain from this system. Right now, though, along the Front Range, we are enjoying some cooler temperatures, 63 in downtown Colorado Springs. South of that, Pueblo, 70 degrees, 73 down in Walsenburg and Trinidad. And out towards the plains, well, we are sitting in the upper 60s, low 70s right now, still waiting for some of those showers to reach the area. And like we did say earlier when we took a look at that Cheyenne mountain cam, that temperature and dew point are very close. So with all that saturation in the atmosphere, clouds are very low at this hour. And when we get dew points this high, that's really why we saw those heavy downpours, and they are going to hang around once again for tomorrow. So we're going to start to clear out tonight. Now, the models have been struggling all day, kind of picking up on any of this activity that we are dealing with. But by about midnight, we're expecting a majority of that activity to move out. Those clouds going to hang around, all thanks to that similar temperature and dew point. So going to stay moist overnight and then move towards 9 a.m. Clouds going to be hanging around just south of the Pueblo area. Push this ahead, though, as we head into the afternoon hours. Going to see showers start to develop over the mountains, push out towards that I-25 corridor during that 3 to 5 o'clock hour. And once again, it's not going to be widespread flash flooding, but that localized threat can't be taken off the table when we do consider the fact that these are heavy downpours moving at a very slow pace over a small area. So we're going to clear out as we head into Thursday overnight, but those rain chances really are going to increase. We're going to have a front move through Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. That's going to cool down our temperatures, yes, but take a look at these rain chances. 90% both Thursday and Friday, and we're not expecting the scattered activity like we've seen the last few days. Going to be a lot more widespread and steadier rain throughout the region. So taking a look now at your 7-day forecast, cooler temperatures when that front moves through Wednesday into Thursday, but take a look at those rain chances. Going to be a lot of rain, especially along those mountains and some of those higher elevation areas. Canyon City, once again, a 12-degree drop between Wednesday and Thursday, but rain chances then linger as we do push into your weekend. Then once we get to the beginning of your work week, we see a brief break in that, but really some steady rain chances throughout this 7-day forecast. Pueblo, once again, 78 degrees, nothing like those triple digits that we've dealt with just really a few days ago, but plenty of rain chances, and there is going to be that bigger flood threat for the I-25 corridor, Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Thursday and Friday when that steadier rain does move into the area. downtown Colorado Springs. We're going to be about 14 degrees below average come Friday, but once again, can't put enough emphasis on that flash flood threat really for the next 3 days. So be sure to stay weather aware and updated, and we'll do our best to keep you guys up to date.